Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Welcome back, guys. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back about my postcard programs that I'm promoting as an affiliate, and I want to show you guys some more results have come in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. Don't know what's in them. Okay, but before we show those results, let me show you those 4 programs real quick. It's 4 postcard programs that I'm promoting. Let's start with this one. Okay, this one's called the Cash Cow 100. This pays out $100 on 2 tiers. Okay, 2 tiers, which means when you sign someone up, their name is gonna go in box 1, and you're gonna be in box 2. So when they mail their postcards out and they get a sale, a $100 sale, you also get a $100 sale. So now you have a team working on your behalf with you, not just you by yourself. So 2 tiers. This one's $300 to get in. You're gonna mail in 3 money orders. 100 to the person in box 1, 100 to the person in box 2, and 100 to the person in box 3. Mail them all to the company, WTM Pub. By the way, all of these are created by WTM Pub. I've been an affiliate with them since 2016. Okay, so 3 money orders. I recommend mailing everything priority so that you can track it to make sure it gets to the office of WTM. You'll know when it gets there. Okay, so Cash Cow 100. Join me in this one and I'll send you 200 leads, okay, to get you started. All right, that's that one. Next one is the Postcard Tycoon. You can go straight to the website for this. It comes with a website. You can go to www.thepostcarddiva.com. This one pays $300 per sale. It comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards. Join me in this one. You get 400 leads from me, okay? And let me back up. This one comes with 100 postcards. The company is going to mail you 100 postcards with the welcome kit. I'm going to send you 200 leads, okay? So now the Tycoon pays $300 a pop. There's no levels with this one, just you, okay? $300 a pop. www.thepostcarddiva.com. Go check it out, all right? You get the 5 for life, by the way, with this. After every 5th sale, the company, WTM, is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Powerful, okay? Next one up. This one is Profit Max Formula. It pays out $500. You see how big the card is? 8.5 by, I believe it's 8.5 by 5.5. Jumbo, okay? But this one pays out $500 a pop. No levels, just you. Every time someone purchases the system, this program, from your card, you make $500. The company also gives you the 5 for life with this one too. Every time, after every 5th sale, they're gonna send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Profit Max Formula. Okay, now this one is, what's this one? $6.95 to get in. 2 money orders with this one. 2 money orders with this one. Okay. All the information will be below. I'll put the links below because I created links for them. All right. $4.98 for the Tycoon to get in that one. $300 and $198 money order. Okay. This one does not come with any cards or anything. It comes with your welcome kit. But if you join me in this one, I'll send you 500 leads, okay? And of course, I know where to get this stuff printed at a great price. I do not use the company that WTM used, only because I can get them at a better price for you guys. Actually, you'll get them at a better price by using this company that I'm going to refer you to, okay? So, 500 a pop. Next one, Supreme Profit System. This one pays $1,000 on 2 tiers. It comes with a website. It comes with 1,000 postcards. Join me in this one and I will mail you 1,000 leads to go with those 1,000 postcards that the company's gonna send you. Comes with a website too, okay? which is awesome because you can market this online. When it comes with a website, that only helps you because you can promote it online and offline. 2 tiers. Whenever your teammate makes $1,000, you make $1,000. Okay? This one also comes with the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, you get 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps from the company, WTM Pub. Okay? So if any of those sounds like of interest to you, go check them out. I'll put the information below. Okay? This one's $23.50, by the way, to get in. You're going to send 3 money orders. $1,000 to the person in box 1 on the website. You'll see that. $1,000 to the second person. And then $350 to the company. Okay? So all the links will be below. Go check it out. All right? So let's get to these results. All right. Let me see. 4 envelopes. Okay? All right. Let's go. Yeah, if you don't want to be online, direct mail is the way to go. It's been around for, what, 100 years. It's not going anywhere. Even though they have, the internet is definitely the future, this is not going anywhere. Offline, because you're going to always have people that don't want to deal with technology, okay? This one's a cash cow. I'm going to use this to put over the bottom of these routing numbers. This is F. Walker. Welcome aboard. I'm going to put this, let me use this card so that we can take this off of here. Okay? You're going to get this little sheet every time you get a sale. Depending on which program you join, they're going to put a sheet with it so you'll know. Cash cow. Okay? And then I'm going to show you the back of this so you can see this has never been cashed. Brand new. Okay? So that's cash cow. Let's go with the next one. Okay. Okay. Looks like the cash cow with this one. Oh, fell out. Alright. Okay, C. Wright. Welcome aboard, C. Wright. Put this on this one. Cash Cow 100, once again, very popular program. It's only 300 to get in it. Okay, see that one? Back of the money order. Okay. Got that one. All right. Next one up. Okay. This one said it came from one of my downline members. It has a circle around the downline, so that's how I know. Okay, right here. If you look up here, it says downline. That means one of my teammates made 100, so therefore I make 100. Okay, so when they do their mailing, they're mailing for you at the same time. That's the power of the 2 tiers. Okay, so another one. Back of this one. Okay. Now one more, guys. Alrighty. And once you actually go ahead and get your receipt and know when it's going to be sent to the office, let me know. Reach out to me because I want to get your email so that I can make sure I send you some marketing information. Okay, this one's the Tycoon. That's right, Mr. Jason T. Welcome aboard. This is the Tycoon. This one pays out $300. See right here? See, it says the Tycoon right here. Welcome, Jason. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Direct mail. You're looking for simplicity. No internet marketing is required. Postcard marketing sounds like the place you need to be. Okay? If any of those interest you, the information will be below in the description. Go check them out. Jot down your questions. Give me a call. I'll be happy to speak with you, answer all your questions. And I look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.